Hello, good day! Welcome again to UP Math. So this time, ang topic natin for today is about percentage, no? Kasi dito maraming nalilito kung paano ba malalaman kung anong nawawala. Base ba, ang date ba, o ang percentage. So dito bibigyan ko kayo ng mga clues para malaman yung mga bagay na yan. But before we start, please subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating channel and hit that notification bell para ma-update kayo kapag meron tayong bagong video. Okay? Thank you. Okay, let's have a brief review kung ano ba ang percentage, ano? Now, alam natin na ang percentage is equal to base times rate, no? Now, para matandaan yung formula na invento ang Tekans triangle, no? Ito ay isang parang pyramid na kung saan yung P ay nasa taas, tapos yung B at saka yung R ay nasa baba. In other words, kapag P ang nawawala, no? Kapag P ang nawawala, we simply multiply B and R, no? Base times rate. Pero kapag ka naman B ang nawawala, ibig sabihin yung P, di-divide natin kay R. So that is P over R. At kapag yung R ang nawawala, we divide P by B naman. Okay? So, that is why na-invento yung Tekans triangle na yan para maging guide, para madaling matandaan yung formula. Now, since elementary, tinuro na sa atin itong Tekans triangle na to, no? Ginamit siya para hindi na mahirapan yung mga bata na mag-memorize ng formula, no? The problem is, para sa akin, ay naiintindihan ba talaga ng bata yung concept, no? Tama ba na tandaan na lang itong triangle na to para malaman kung paano isosolve si P, si B, at saka si R? Eh bakit nalilito pa rin sila, no? Pagdating sa word problem, bakit hindi nila alam kung anong nawawala? Ano ba ang nawawala? Yung P ba, yung bang B, o yung R? Eh kasi nga hindi naman naiintindihan yung konsepto, no? So para sa akin, importante pa rin na naiintindihan nila kung sino ba si P, sino ba si B, at kung sino ba si R talaga. So this time I'm going to explain it in a simplest way possible na alam ko, no? So supposing we have a mathematical equation that says 25% of 20 is 5. Okay? Now, we know that 25% is our R, 20 is our base, and 5 is our percentage, no? Now, ano ba yung tinuro sa atin ni teacher para ma-identify sila? Sa R, wala tayong problema, di ba? Kung sino may percent, yun na yun, yun ang R natin. Ang madalas mapagpalit ay si base at saka si percentage. Pero ang turo ni teacher, kapag sinusundan ng word na off, base yan. Pag sinusundan ng word na is, mas malamang percentage yan. So tama naman yon, ano? Yun nga lang, sabi ko nga, hindi kasi maganda yung mine-memorize lang. Mas maganda yung naiintindihan siya, no? Now, paano ba natin to i-explain by using a diagram, no? So supposing meron tayong box, okay, na mayroong lamang 20 balls. Okay? Now, gusto kong kunin yung 25% ng bola na yan, no? So, pag kinuha ko ang 25% ng 20, ayun na yun eh, di ba? That is your 5 eh, no? So, lumalabas, eto yun, no? That is 1/4 actually, no? So, ito, 5 to. So, tigdi 5 yan actually, no? 5, 5, 5, 5. Kaya nga 5 ang 25% ng 20 balls. So, madali lang intindihin, di ba? Yung 25%, yan po yung R natin. Yan yung nagdi-dictate kung ilang percent ang kukuhanin natin doon sa base para makuha yung percentage. So, ang base pala, ito yung kinukuhanan, no, ng part. Okay? At yung part na kinuha, yan po yung ating percentage. In other words, ang percentage ay part ng base. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple yung concept ng percentage. So, I hope this is clear, no? So, let us use this, no, to solve the following problems na aking pinrepare. Okay? Problem number 1. What is 18% of 27? Okay, so tingnan muna natin kung ano mga given. 18% is R, no? Kasi alam natin pag may percent, R, di ba? And 27 is our base. Bakit? Kasi it is preceded by the word of. So yun ang palatandaan natin. So ang nawawala ay percentage, no? So tama naman yun, ano? Kaya lang, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, no? Kapag ang number, kinuhanan mo ng percent, the resulting product is percentage. Okay? And according to Tekken's triangle, if P is missing, P is equal to base times rate. Okay? Now, ang base natin ay 27, ang rate natin ay 18%. Now, hindi natin to pwedeng i-multiply ng naka-percent. We need to change 18% to decimal. And how do you change percent to decimal? I-move lang natin ang decimal point twice to the left, no? Ang whole number, ang decimal point niya nasa extreme right parate, no? So nandito ang decimal point, i-move natin ang dalawa to the left, 1, 2, kaya 0.18, no? So ganun lang mag-change from percent to decimal, okay? So this is 27 times 0.18. O multiply natin, 27.18, 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 5 is 21, 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 2 is 2, adds 26, 8, and then 4. Now we have 2 decimal point, no? 1, 2. Kaya susundan nyo din to, 1, 2. So the answer is 4.86. So ganun lang, no? Ganun lang siya kadali. Number 2, what percent of 80 is 20? O ito very obvious kung ano nawawala, ano? Kasi sabi niya what percent, meaning R is missing, no? Now 80 is our base, no? Kasi may off siya, and 20 is our percentage. And according to Tekken's triangle, if R is missing, di ba? R is equal to P over B. So since P is 20, and our base is 80. So divide natin, 20 divided by 80. So we cannot divide 20 by 80, so we need to add 0. Pero kailangan maglagay ng decimal point, ano? Lagay muna ng decimal point. Now 200 divided by 80 is 2, no? 2 times 80 is 160. So this is 0. This is 4. 40, no? Now, again, we add 0. 400 divided by 80 is 5. 5 times 80 is 400. Okay? So, 0.25. R is 0.25. But since this is in decimal, we need to change this to percent, no? Okay? So how do we change naman from decimal to percent? So kanina, di ba, when we change percent to decimal, we move the decimal place to the left. So this time, babalik ta rin lang natin to the right naman tayo. So pagka minove natin yan to the right, 1, 2, the answer is 25%. And that's it, no? Problem number 3. 16 is 80% of what number? So, 16 is our P, no? Because of the word is. This is our R, kasi may percent. And this is our base, no? Because of the word of. But again, sabi ko kanina, di ba? You have to realize na kung sino ang kinukuhanan ng percent, yon ay yung base, no? And according to our Tekken's triangle, if B is missing, then B is equal to P over R, no? So B is equal to P over R. So since P is 16 and R is 80%, 80% is 0.8 in decimal. Di ba? I-move lang natin yan twice to the left. Okay? So that's 0.80. O, divide natin ang 16 by 0.80. Now, remember ha, kapag ang inyong divisor ay may decimal, kailangan i-convert muna to sa whole number. So, paano gagawin? i-move lang ang decimal point hanggang makarating sa extreme right, no? 1, 2. So since nag-move ka ng dalawa dito, mag-move din kayo ng dalawa dito sa dividend. Okay? So pag nag-move kayo, 1, 2, madadagdagan yan ng dalawang 0. So para na silang naging full number pareho, no? So it's just like multiplying both by 100, no? Para mawala lang yung decimal point. Okay? So now, what is 160 divided by 80? O bakit ako sa 160 nagsimula? Kasi we cannot divide 16 by 80, no? So kailangan mag-start tayo sa 160. So 160 divided by 80 is 2. 2 times 80 is 160. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 80 is 0. 0 times 80 is 0. Okay? So the answer is 20. B is 20. Number 4, what percent of 90 is 18? Again, number 4 is very obvious, no? What percent, meaning this is R of 90. So this is our base, is 18. So this is our P, no? So what is missing? R is missing, no? And again, according to our Tekans triangle, if R is missing, then R is equal to P over B. Now, since P is equal to 18 and our base is 90, let us divide 18 by 90. So since we cannot divide 18 by 90, again, we need to add 0, no? But we have to put a decimal point, no? Don't forget. So 180 divided by 90 is 2. 2 times 90 is 180. And this is 0. So the answer is 0.2. Change to decimal, 1, 2, so that is 20%. Okay, so R is equal to 20%. Okay? Okay, problem number 5. What is 50% of 22? So given tayo, obvious naman, ito ang R natin because of percent. 22 is our base, no? Of. So what is missing is P, okay? And according to Tekans triangle, when P is missing, we simply multiply base by rate, no? So P is equal to base times rate. Now, base is equal to 22, and rate is 50%. Now, 50% in decimal form is 0.50. So let us multiply 0.50 by 22. So 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 5 is 10. Let's add, so 0, 0, 1, 1. We have 2 decimal point, 2 decimal point to the left, so the answer is 11, no? So P is equal to 11. Okay, problem number 6. 80 is 40% of what number? So, given tayo ng 80, which is beside is, so this is our percentage. 40% is obviously our rate. Of what number? So, ito ang ating base, no? So, base is missing. And according to Tekans triangle, base is equal to P over R. So, B is equal to P over R. Now, P is equal to 80. Ang R natin ay 40%. Change to decimal, move lang yung decimal point to the left twice. So that is 0.40. Oh, let us divide 80 by 0.40. Now, since again may decimal yung ating divisor, gawin natin itong whole number, move the decimal point twice to the right. So ito rin, dapat mag-move twice to the right. 1, 2. So we add 2 zeros. No? Oh, now, we can divide 80 by 40. That is equal to 2. 2 times 40 is 80. 0. 0 divided by 40 is 0. 0 times 40 is 0. Bring down uli yung 0. 0 divided by 40, 0. 0 times 40 is 0. Now, kapag ganyan may naiiwang 0, no, na dalawa, ang shortcut doon iakyat nyo na lang. No? Okay? So, the correct answer is B is equal to 200. Okay? Okay, our topic on percentage problem doesn't end here, no? Hindi po ito magtatapos dito. Gagawa rin po tayo ng video about problem solving or word problem applications na kung saan mas nalilito po ang mga bata, hindi lamang sa pag-alam kung anong nawawala, kundi kung paano rin mapapabilis yung solution. So, tuturuan ko po kayo ng techniques and shortcuts sa pag-solve ng problem regarding percentage. So, watch out for that. So for the meantime, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and God bless.